Hello everyone, hello my friends, welcome back to another episode. What is Jeff wearing? Well, I just got home from work. I cracked myself up. I just got home from work because I'm still a peasant. I'm not making my millions on YouTube yet. And it's Friday night, and people are getting ready to go be humans that have fun and do things on Friday nights like humans do. And I'm gonna go put some insulation up on the walls. And that's because this weekend I think Dad and I are gonna get some OSB and we're gonna do the walls. But first, let me change into my YouTube uniform. Oh. Alright, let's go do some insulation. Okay, my friends, there it is. It's about 9 o'clock now, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. It's getting a little chilly. It's surprisingly comfortable inside here. It's about 25 degrees outside right now. It's probably closer to 40 in here. I had my coat off, just moving around. I was working up a sweat, so this is really exciting. This is what I've got so far. So just about done with the first wall here. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm gonna be at it tomorrow with this, and I think the next episode here, I'm just gonna show all the insulation and we'll get started on the walls. This is a quick little video. I just wanted to show what's going into this project. It doesn't matter what time of day it is now, I have lights. So I'm going to work full time, I'm coming home, and I'm continuing to work on the project. We do have to get it done in the next 2 months or so. The door's gonna be in. There's so much on the way. It's so close I can taste it. So thanks for hanging out with me. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe. That way my new uploads will show up on your recommended feed. If you want notifications so that you get If you want notifications to your device immediately as soon as I upload, go ahead and hit the little bell. Until next time, have a good evening.